Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI tutorial. In today's lecture we are going to do two things. The first of all, we are going to do the same basic data transformation and how to connect our data to Oracle database. I'm going to open the Power Query editor, go for transform data. So currently this is the two queries that we add. In the previous lecture we know how to do some basic data transformation. We play with some tools. And in today's lecture we are going to do another two queries and play with the sum transform and add columns tools. So first of all, go home, a new source, the CSV file that I provided to you. So we have adventure product category lookup, the same things. This is the very origin delimiter, and based on the first 200 rows, click OK. Add another new source, the same from home, a new source. This is a CSV file. I'm gonna add a subcategory lookup. Click OK. So you do the same. The first of all, you have to rename, so let's make it more readable. We'll remove this name, adventure, remove the adventure. So you have product category lookup and product subcategory lookup. The second things, you have to make sure all your columns, the data type of your columns are set correctly. So for example, go click here, change type. This is the whole number, so this number, and this must be text. So go to change type, you'll see this text. And the second things, you have to make sure the headers are promoted headers. So if you click, you see these headers are promoted correctly. Let's gonna go back to products lookup, and we have in here product SKU. So click on the product SKU. In the product SKU, go to add columns. We will add a new column and we separate this column based on the delimiter. Go for extract, from extract text before delimiter. So you'll add a new column for the text before the delimiter. Before this delimiter, you will have only this text. So click on text before delimiter, and we have to set the delimiter in here. This slash is the delimiter between this text. Toolbar, at the end we have a new column, and we can change the name for this. Just double click on the column, so you can change. This is for SKU types, and click OK. So you'll have SKU type in here. Change the rename columns. And if you need to modify this column, you can back. This is from this icon here, allow you to back. So when I click on here, and you will back, in here we have additional options. If we need to set the number of delimiter to skip, so if he set 1, he will skip the first delimiter and give you the name before the second delimiter. If you click OK, so you will see we have this, the SKU type. This is capital SKU type. Now we skip the first delimiter, the hashtag, and we have the SKU type. And also we have the product type, the product. We have in here the product style. So if we need to remove all the 0, instead of the 0 we put not applicable, NA. Highlight the product style and go for transform, and we have replace value. Then replace and insert. So value from 0, instead of 0 replace it with not applicable, NA, and click OK. So you'll see we have the NA is coming instead of the 0. So this is the two things that we need to mention in this lecture. And after that, go home, close and apply, so and wait for the data to load. So now we have all the data are saved within the main Power BI desktop interface. So you have the report, you have the tables, and etc. And you have the tables in here and how these tables are connected to each other. So these are the 4 tables you work on. We have another things. If you need to get, for example, if you have a database, Oracle database, I already have Oracle database, and you need to connect within your Oracle database. So I'm going to show you in here how you can connect your database. I'm going to use this demo how to do it. You have the local host. This is your computer name, and then this is the port, and you have the Oracle pluggable database. This is where the HR schema is. You have to put a pluggable database, and you have the username. This is the HR, and password. This is where you create your the username and password, where you create your HR schema within your Oracle database. You have to set the password, and maybe this HR for both of them. So I'm gonna put my credential here, and back to you. So after clicking OK, now you will see all the Oracle database now is open. I have the HR schema. This is where all my data in here. Click on the, and from here, if I need to bring any table, just click for example, I need to bring the employee or department table. Click on employee. I see the data from here. So this is the employee table within my HR schema. I did full course on Oracle SQL, so if you like, go to my channel and you'll see the Oracle SQL course in there. So if I like, I'll see the data is sorting properly, and I can transform data or load transform data. So let's go to Power Query Editor, and from here we can check the data from here, and working on, we do the same thing we did in here, and we can save the data also if I like to save it, and I can search for employee and save the data. So this is all you need to know in this lecture. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.